Alright, so we're doing the H2 Hummer spark plugs. Located right there. Sure if you guys can see. There's the boots there. 1, 2. There's one directly down here. 3. Pretty much. You just want to try to hold on to the silver part of the boot. Rock it out until you can get it free. Don't pull by the wire because you'll break it. And once you pull the boot off, that'll expose your spark plug right in there. 5/8 spark plug socket. Let's go ahead and slide it down on your spark plug. You guys can see. Just want to take that spark plug out. Alright, so we got all three. Number 4, number 3, and number 2 out. Number 1's a little bit harder. Show you how to get that out. Because that boot is located right here behind this. So I'll show you how to get to that one in a second. Alright, so you're going to need to remove both these number 10s here. So we can pull that bracket back. So we can get to that boot down there. Alright, once you loosen that bracket, you can get your hand down in there. Remove that boot. And get to that spark plug hole. Alright, once you get all those spark plugs installed, you just want to make sure you push back on these boots. You get a clip. See that? So you want to put all these boots back on now. Alright, now you want to put your bracket back in place. Reinstall back your 2 number 10s. Alright, so all spark plugs, all the boots are back on. The other side is not as hard because you don't have to remove anything like this. That was the driver's side, now we're on the passenger. These are a lot easier to get to. There's 5, 6, 7, and 8s back there. If you can't pull the boots off by hand, there's a tool called a boot puller, or you can use a needle nose pliers. Just repeat the same process what you did on the driver's side. That's the H2 spark plug replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.